The demand for stunning Christmas backdrops has skyrocketed. While tech reviewers obsess over keyboard switches, build quality, and layout values, photography enthusiasts prioritize material feel and print realism. This comprehensive guide evaluates the market's top holiday backdrops based on material durability, print precision, dimension layouts, and overall value. Product number 1. 7 by 5 foot Christmas photography backdrops, child Christmas fireplace decoration background for Photo Studio, 11209. If you are searching for a classic, heartwarming holiday setting for children's portrait photography, this 7 by 5 foot vinyl backdrop is an exceptional starting point. Featuring a beautifully rendered brick fireplace adorned with traditional stockings and surrounded by glowing Christmas trees, it instantly creates a cozy, nostalgic atmosphere. The color saturation is remarkably high, ensuring that your photos capture deep reds and rich evergreens without looking washed out under studio lighting. Built from lightweight, high-grade eco-vinyl, it is highly portable and easy to tape up or hang on a standard background stand. While it arrives folded, introducing typical vinyl creases, these can be easily managed by rolling the material tightly around a cylinder overnight or using a low-temperature steam iron on the unprinted reverse side. It offers an incredible balance of visual depth and cost-effectiveness, making it a favorite for seasonal pop-up studios looking to maximize their value layout during the busy holiday rush. Product number 2. 7 by 5 foot polyester fabric winter Christmas rustic barn wood door photography backdrop. Moving away from traditional vinyl, this 7 by 5 foot backdrop utilizes high-quality polyester fabric, completely changing the game for long-term durability and maintenance. The design features a charming rustic winter scene, showcasing weathered barnwood doors framed by snow-dusted Christmas trees. It is an ideal layout for family holiday parties or rustic-themed winter events. Because it is crafted from polyester, this banner is virtually wrinkle-free, washable, and reusable year after year. You can toss it in the dryer on a low setting to instantly remove any storage lines, providing a smooth, matte finish that eliminates annoying light reflections. The build quality shines through its hemmed edges, preventing fraying during hectic event setups. For photographers and party hosts who demand a rugged, low-maintenance product that survives spills, active kids, and outdoor elements, this snowy barn layout delivers unparalleled peace of mind and long-term utility value. Product number 3. Chaya 7 by 5 foot Christmas backdrop Red Ball Xmas Merry Party decorations. The Chaya 7 by 5 foot Christmas backdrop shifts the design focus toward a bold, celebratory aesthetic. Dominated by vibrant red Christmas ornaments, elegant bouquet light effects, and a festive Merry Christmas motif, this backdrop is tailor-made for lively family holiday gatherings and New Year celebrations. Unlike busy interior living room scenes, this graphic banner provides a clean, artistic depth of field that makes subjects pop beautifully in portraits. The material offers a matte, glare-resistant texture that handles both smartphone flashes and professional strobe setups with ease. It functions perfectly as a party photo booth anchor or a decorative wall banner. The value proposition here lies in its striking color accuracy. The reds are punchy and true to life, capturing the exact warmth of the holiday spirit. It is an affordable, high-impact decor upgrade that requires zero complex styling to look professional, satisfying users who want maximum festive energy with minimal hassle. Product number 4. 10x 8 foot Christmas fireplace theme backdrop for photography, soft wrinkle-free fabric. When a standard 7 by 5 foot backdrop simply isn't wide enough to fit extended family groups, this massive 10x 8 foot option steps up to fill the void. Designed specifically for larger group portraits and commercial holiday photo booths, this oversized layout features a stunningly detailed classic fireplace theme, complete with overflowing stockings, a towering Christmas tree, and warm ambient lighting. Crafted from ultra-soft, heavy-duty, wrinkle-free fabric, it offers a luxurious draping quality that sets it apart from budget vinyl alternatives. The fabric construction means it safely tolerates folding, machine washing, and direct steaming, entirely removing the stress of prep work before a big shoot. The print realism is top-tier, maintaining sharpness even across such a massive surface area. If your studio or corporate event requires a premium, immersive backdrop that accommodates multi-person poses without exposing the edges of your studio gear, this durable fabric backdrop is worth every penny. Product number 5. Funny Tree 8 by 6 foot Christmas fireplace backdrop interior vintage Xmas tree stockings. Funny Tree is a household name in the photography industry, and this 8 by 6 foot vintage fireplace backdrop showcases exactly why. The dimensions offer a fantastic middle ground sweet spot, offering more headroom and floor coverage than a 7x5 foot, without requiring the massive studio space of a 10-foot banner. The interior design leans into a rich, vintage aesthetic, featuring a beautifully aged brick fireplace, hanging stockings, and a meticulously detailed Christmas tree full of depth. Printed on specialized high-density matte vinyl, the backdrop delivers zero-glare performance under high-powered strobe lights, capturing crisp details down to the brick textures. The material build quality is rugged and tear-resistant, easily standing up to multiple setups and teardowns throughout the holiday season. It provides an exceptionally professional look for individual child portraits or small family portraits alike. For photographers prioritizing absolute print clarity and classic holiday styling, this funny tree option stands out as a reliable, high-performing asset.
Product number 6. 7x5 foot polyester fabric Christmas fireplace backdrop vintage Xmas tree sock background. Rounding out our top selections is this 7x5 foot premium polyester fabric backdrop, combining the classic vintage fireplace and Christmas tree motif with the ultimate modern material choice. Designed specifically with energetic kids' portraits and active party environments in mind, the polyester build quality makes it completely immune to tears, creases, or permanent stains. The vintage design features soft, warm lighting tones that mimic a real firelit living room, generating an instant sense of nostalgia. It hangs flawlessly on any backdrop support system with minimal sagging, and its non-reflective surface guarantees crisp, glare-free imagery from any shooting angle. Because it is highly packable and completely washable, it is the ultimate option for traveling event photographers who move from house to house during the holidays. It represents the perfect intersection of timeless vintage layout design and modern fabric durability, ensuring your seasonal photography setup remains effortlessly professional all winter long.
Selecting the right holiday backdrop comes down to matching your workspace dimensions with your preferred material properties. Vinyl backdrops offer unbeatable crispness and affordability for studio environments, where lighting is perfectly controlled. However, if your setup needs to travel, survive family parties, or withstand machine washing, upgrading to premium polyester fabric layouts will save you hours of prep work and steaming.